Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Zero Ultra and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So now let's first open the settings application and then tap to the personalization. After that, scroll down and click here to always on display section. Here we can change the style of the let's click here to more. We can see here the different tabs, the digital, galaxy, digital photo frames, and innovative always on display options. Just here, let's for example select one from the galaxies tabs. We can change here let's use the moon for example. We can change here the text color and to turn on or turn off the date, battery and notifications just by click on the switchers and then just tap here to OK. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.